Alright, here we go. Have fun drinking piss.
You're late.
Sorry, the taxi driver was giving birth during the drive. It happens in Peru.
Why Peru?
It has that statue of Jesus here, right?
That's in Brazil.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Why am I even here?
Global tensions are rising. Europe and Asia are going into a global war, and nobody knows who did what. But we have intel that the former associate terrorist, Michael Bay, is behind all this.
That's impossible. How and why can the two eastern continents go and work with each other?
Well, that's because Europe called Asia a bitch, and they plan to settle this online. Biden claims that you are assembling a task force for situations like this. Do you have the info?
I thought that old man would never ask. This is the list of the best video gamers in the world, and I selected a few for this job.
Wait, isn't he a streamer?
Yes, sir. But these streamers are the best of players. The best of the best. Anyways.
Okay, again, he's a streamer.
Let me cook.
Okay, so we got two streamers and the giant from Jack and the Beanstalk. Are you mentally okay?
If I wasn't, I found myself a doctor, but he does not practice with medicine. What? What's that? You got caught? Oh shit, really? Oh, if you. No, you'll be no good then. Let me just, oh, here you go. Yeah. My apologies. This one is special. He's the toughest, deadliest, and violent gamer in the world. When you get in the ring with him, you must follow 3 rules. 1, don't get cocky. 2, don't diss him. 3, you better get the fuck out.
This man seems promising. Who is this guy?
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo!
Okay, I'm done. I'm done here.
Sir, wait. I know they seem that they're not the best players. And yes, I did pull a pedophile, but I didn't know, alright? This one is special.
Alright, fine. But what if the people we're up against are hackers or cheaters? Then what?
Then I guess we have to ask him.
No. Not him.
Contact Henson. Tell him we have no choice.
God help us all.